MI-9021 Bike Wall Mount. Installation. Before mounting on the wall, determine the mounting height for the bicycle. Lay the bike rack on the floor perpendicular to the wall and place your bicycle on it. Ensure that there is a space of approximately 8 inches or more from the back of the tire to the wall, and take the measurements from the wall to the center of the top of the hole on the bike rack. Use a stud finder to locate the stud and hold the bike rack centered on the stud. Use a bubble level to ensure straightness and mark the bolt holes, with the top bolt hole at the height measured in the previous step. Use a 3/16 drill bit and drill on the marked locations. For concrete or brick wall installation, use a 3/8 drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Then, insert the provided concrete anchors into the holes. Secure the bike rack to the wall using the provided lag screws. Insert the bolt covers into the bolt holes covering the ends of the lag screws. Pull the rack hook down and out from the wall. Hang the bicycle on the bike rack hook and allow it to come to rest in the hanging position. Hold the tire pad centered on the stud and between the back tire and the wall. Use a bubble level to ensure straightness and mark the bolt holes. Use a 3 25 drill bit and drill on the marked locations. For concrete or brick wall installation, use a 7 25 drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 1.8 inches. Then, insert the provided concrete anchors into the drilled holes. Attach the tire pad and tire stop to the wall using the screws through the tire stop, then through the tire pad into the wall as shown here. The mount can be turned to the left or the right to reduce the distance the bicycle extends from the wall. The tire should be placed on the right side of the tire stop if the rack is aligned to the right, and the left side of the tire stop when the rack is aligned to the left.